How to redeem Target Circle rewards on Target. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can just go over and sign in into our Target account in the Target app or Target.com. For now, we're just going to head over to Target.com and hit enter. And if we're not logged in, we can log in into our account. Now from here, what we can do is we can just head over and add items as we usually do. For example, let's add some of the items here. So you can browse the items. After that, we can just head over and add it to cart. Look out for this option called add to cart and add it to our cart as we usually do. We can just go over and do so. Now, once the items have been added to our cart, to check out, we can just go over and look out for this option called cart in the top right and click on it and head over to the cart piece and just go over and go on with the process of checking out. So we can just go over and select this option of checkout. After we have purchased the product, look out for review cart and head over to the checkout option. And after that is done, while we are checking out, we can see an option on our right hand side where we can apply up our Target Circle rewards or user earnings. So for example, we have this option called promo code here, something like that. You can find a similar option for your Target Circle rewards as well. And you can just go and look out for it and click on add option. After that, we can just head over and apply up the code or the Target Circle rewards sell code, etc., and user earnings there. Or sometimes we can find a check box or toggle option. We can just go over and turn that toggle option for that option. After that, we can just go over and apply it up to our order, and it will be applied towards our order total, and discount will be deducted from the purchase amount before we pay. And the rewards are basically applied after all the discounts. You can just go and check it out, like coupons and sales before taxes and fees. You cannot use Circle rewards on certain items such as gift cards, some prescriptions and pharmacy items, alcohol, shipping, taxes, fees, etc. But you can just go and follow this process, and if your purchase total is less than your rewards balance, then the remainder will carry until the transaction fully processes, but you must apply the full balance at once. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. You can follow this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.